Hey everyone, welcome to this new BoloSign tutorial. So we've been receiving a lot of queries recently in support related to managing respondents and responses settings in BoloSign dashboard. So in this particular video, I'll be walking you through how to manage all the responses and respondent settings in the forms dashboard. So first of all, you have to open your form. So create a form, and once you are done creating a form, before sending it to your customers, make sure to check all the following settings. So first of all, click on to responses section, and here towards the right hand side, you'll be able to see this option called accepting responses. Make sure this is turned on, or else your form won't accept any responses when your client fills it. So next is the settings option. So here's where you'll have to make sure that the desired options are toggled on. First one, collect respondent email. So under this particular section, a default email type question will be automatically added at the beginning of your form. So as you can see here, the first question here is an email type question. So you can disable this part to remove that question. And second one, verify respondent email. So this particular option verifies the respondent's email before they start filling out the form. And send email notifications. This particular option enables you to receive email notifications along with the generated response PDF whenever a new response has been filled by your client. So under the response PDF section, there are three things that you will have to make sure. First one, generate response PDF. So at times you might feel that it's not necessary to generate a response PDF for the responses filled by your client. So you can turn it off during those instances. And send a copy of the response PDF to the respondent. So this particular option enables even the respondent to receive a copy of their response as a response PDF. You can turn it on if you want, but if you don't want your client to receive a copy of their response, you can turn it off. Enable response edit. This particular option allows your client to edit their response even after submitting their form. And finally, in the send a copy section, you can add all the email IDs whom you want to receive a copy of the responses. For example, there might be instances where you want your team members or even your team leads to receive a copy of the responses filled by your client. So in that particular instance, you can add all the email IDs whomever you want, and they will receive a copy of the response PDF. So these are the basic settings that you will have to make sure before sending a form to your client so that everything works smoothly. I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thanks for watching.